Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and well, I can't post it, I can't say it, but as soon as it's going to be over, I'll be saying it. YouTube services are down, and we are Wednesday, November 11th, and it's 8 p.m. Eastern. It's been down for a little while because here what happened, and my chronology of problems. So I was coming back home, and I was in the subway listening to some of my music on YouTube Music, and suddenly I couldn't listen to music anymore. It just stopped playing at some point, and I couldn't load any song anymore. Nothing was working except what was already in my phone. So I thought, what is happening? What's happening with my phone? And I came home, and I was watching a podcast actually playing on another platform, when somebody in the podcast said, well, I'm getting reports a lot of people saying YouTube is down. And of course, YouTube is down. So this is a French message, but I've got a problem here. It says there's a problem. And there's an error, and please try again later. This is an improvement because I couldn't even get any YouTube page, actually, when I did YouTube. Now at least I get, the page with some of the front end videos, but YouTube definitely had a problem in the last hour. It seems to be slowly getting back. So anyways, when I get access to my page to upload a video, I'll let you know. And so if you guys had a problem, don't worry, it wasn't you, it was YouTube as a whole. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.